Space test. Directions. Read each question and choose the best answer. Place your answer in the space provided and your Scantron. Number 1. Which of these causes day and night on Earth? A. Revolving around the Sun. B. The Moon revolving around the Earth. C. Earth rotating on its axis. Number 2. The asteroid belt is made up of thousands of pieces of rock that orbit the Sun. The picture shows that the asteroid belt is between the 4th and 5th planets from the Sun. Which of these planets is closest to the asteroid belt? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Saturn. Number 3. What phase of the Moon should go in the blank? A. B. Or C. Number 4. Earth experiences seasonal changes because of its orbit around the Sun, which is also known as A. Revolution. B. Rotation. C. Precipitation. Number 5. A student looks outside and observes the Sun in the western sky. Which of the following times could it be? A. Sunrise. B. Sunset. C. Noon. Number 6. Read the table below. Which conclusion can be drawn from this table? A. The planets closer to the Sun use more of the Sun's energy and move faster. B. The outer planets move slower because they have many moons. C. The planets closer to the Sun travel around the Sun faster. Number 7. Students begin an investigation to learn about shadows. The students measure the length of the shadow cast by the flagpole. At 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 3 p.m., the students go outside and measure the shadow's length with a meter stick. What is the variable in the investigation? A. The time of day. B. The size of the flagpole. C. The tool used for measuring. Number 8. Which planet has the longest orbit around the Sun? A. Neptune. B. Jupiter. C. Earth. Number 9. How long does it take for the Earth to revolve around the Sun one time? A. 1 day. B. 1 year. C. 6 months. Number 10. Which statement about the movement of the Earth and Moon is true? A. The Sun revolves around the Earth and the Moon. B. The Earth revolves around the Moon and the Moon revolves around the Sun. C. The Moon revolves around the Earth and the Earth revolves around the Sun. Number 11. A student reads the following statement in a science book. Earth's axis is not straight up and down, but tilted. This tilt in Earth's revolution causes us to experience changes in the amount of sunlight we receive each day. Which natural occurrence is the statement explaining? A. Seasons. B. Tides. C. Moon phases. Number 12. On Earth, the Moon's gravity causes changes in A. Tides. B. Seasons. C. Day and night. Number 13. The surface of the Sun, Earth, and Moon are described as having different physical characteristics. How is the Sun different from Earth and the Moon? A. The Sun has no gravity. B. The Sun can produce its own light. C. The Sun does not produce its own heat. Number 14. Which of these best shows the relationship between Earth, the Moon, and the Sun? A. B. C. Number 15. What change will occur in the length of the shadow between the time shown and noon? A. The length of the shadow will get longer. B. The length of the shadow will remain the same. C. The length of the shadow will get shorter. D. The length of the shadow will disappear. Number 16. Read the table below. Which of the following best completes the table above? A. X equals no gravity. Y equals most gravity. Z equals more gravity. B. X equals most gravity, Y equals no gravity, Z equals more gravity. C. X equals more gravity, Y equals most gravity, Z equals little gravity. Number 17. What causes different parts of the moon to be lit as it orbits Earth? A. Reflection from the sun. B. Refraction from the sun. C. Revolving around the sun. Number 18. In a model of our solar system, a tennis ball is used to represent Earth. A marble would be a good representation of Mercury in this model because, compared to Earth, Mercury is A. More solid, B. Lighter, C. Smaller. Number 19. Which direction would the man's shadow be pointing at 3 p.m.? A, B, or C? Number 20. On which side of a house in Texas should a window be placed so that people inside the house can see the sunset each day through the window? A, north, B, south, C, west. Number 21. The diagram illustrates Earth rotating as well as how the sun's light illuminates Earth. According to the diagram below, which point on Earth is about to experience sunset? A, B, or C? Number 22. Earth is like the moon in many ways. One way the moon is different from Earth is A. There's no weather on the moon, B. There are no craters on Earth, C. There is no weather on Earth. Number 23. A student observed the sun throughout the day over the neighbor's house. The change the student observed is caused by A. Orbit of Earth around the sun, B. Rotation of Earth on its axis, C. Orbit of the sun through space. Number 24. Which force is responsible for the revolution of the planets around the sun? A. Magnetism, B. Friction, C. Gravity. Number 25. The diagram shows movements of objects in space. What can you conclude from this diagram? A. The moon orbits Earth while Earth orbits the sun. B. The sun revolves around Earth. C. Earth and the moon rotate in different directions.